Hello there, very good afternoon to you. We've had a bit of cloud coming and going today, but there should be some bright and sunnier spells this afternoon. Always the risk of a shower, but mainly dry and highs of 12 to 13 degrees. Overnight, clear to start, but then cloud thickening and still, as I said, that risk of a shower. Quite cool overnight with minimum temperatures of 7 or 8 degrees. And the winds are staying fairly blustery through today and tomorrow, coming from the northwest around a force 4 to a force 5. Probably see the worst of any rain first thing tomorrow, but then again, we should see those clearer and brighter spells with the sunshine and still quite cool with those northerly winds with highs of 12 degrees. So yes, we had some cloud cover at times today, and you can see Alderney here in this unusual bird's eye shot from Glen, looking a little bit murky, but then at times later in the afternoon we had some bright spells and some sunshine too, and that is really the theme as we go into tomorrow. Cloudy with sunshine. We can't rule out the odd shower here and there, similar to today, but for most of us, for the most part, it will be dry and as well feeling rather cool. Now, if we take a look at the pressure chart, you can see it's low pressure out to the west of us. That's what brings the unsettled conditions and the rain and the wet weather. But because high pressure is the slightly more dominant force, that's keeping at bay most of those showers, as well the winds coming from the north bringing that relatively cooler air. So overnight then we'll have some clear spells to start. Winds are still fairly blustery and gustery coming from the north, bringing that cooler air, a force 4 to a force 5, and towards dawn a bit of cloud could be building up. Now temperatures are actually going to be quite chilly overnight with minimums of 7 and 8 degrees. Tomorrow, as I said, will be the most cloudy and when we have the most risk of those showers first thing. But then throughout the rest of the day, it should largely be dry. Similar to today, we'll see some bright spells and some sunshine. Still gusty, winds a force 4 to a force 5, and another cool day in store with the winds bringing that cooler air from the north with highs of 12 degrees. Let's get our times of high water then between 1:30 and 2:15. Later on between 3 and 3:45 roughly, and sea temperature there is 11.4 degrees. Now, if we take a look at the rest of the week, well, you can see on Thursday, even though temperature is similar, we've got more in the way of sunshine and lighter winds, so actually it's going to feel rather more pleasant, and a similar situation over the weekend, lighter winds and temperature creeping up a bit.